Good morning everybody, I hope you're all well. Welcome to this week's assembly. I've been having a look at everybody's e-learning, all the fantastic videos and photographs that you've been sending in, and I have to say I'm really impressed by the quality and standard of the work that you've been sending in. Now I know it's difficult because we're all stuck at home, you can't see your friends, you can't see your teachers, you can't do some of the usual activities that you would do. But I wanted to talk to you a bit today about the importance of staying inside during this time. And it's not just me, it's not just you, we're not alone in this. This is affecting everybody all over the world. So, with a little bit of help from some of our favourite characters, we're going to talk today about the importance of social distancing with the Gruffalo and his friends. Now, social distancing means keeping ourselves at home and staying away from others just for this short period of time. Let's have a look at what our favourite characters are telling us to do. Here's the witch from Room in the Broom. She says, "You'd better be safe, you'd better be smart, stay on the broom, but stay well apart." It's really important that when you do see people, if you do have to go out, that you stay apart from other people, and that just stops the germs from spreading. Here's Zog and the Flying Doctors. They tell the lion with the sneeze, "Don't sneeze into your paw and use a paper hanky, please." Do you remember when we had an assembly before and I showed you the correct way to cough and sneeze is into your elbow and not onto your hands? The Gruffalo said, "All right," said the Gruffalo, bursting with laughter. "You go ahead and I'll follow 2 meters after." 2 meters, that's how far apart you should stay from anyone else that you're with. "Look me up and down, I'm the cleanest giant in town." Cleanest giant, he's making sure that he washes his hands, and that's for at least 20 seconds. That's as long as it takes to sing happy birthday twice all the way through. And that's how long you should be washing your hands for. The Gruffalo's child stayed in the Gruffalo cave. The Gruffalo's child did her best to behave. When you're bored at home, sometimes it can be tempting to mess about a little bit because you're bored and you're stuck inside. But make sure you're listening to your parents and that you're doing what they say. Charlie Cook had to stay in his house. He reads to the cat and he reads to the mouse. Reading is a really good way of passing the time when you're at home. There's all sorts of books that you can read online, and if you join up to the National Library, you can actually access their children's library on the computer as well. The Scarecrow's wedding can't happen just yet. When everyone's well, a new date will be set. You might have had a birthday party to go to or a celebration that was cancelled because of this lockdown, but this is only temporary, and very soon it will all be open again and you'll be able to celebrate just like you did before. Granny and Grandpa are all on their own, but they always cheer up when the grandchildren phone. You might have had to phone your grandparents or your aunties and uncles because you can't go and visit them, and this is a safer way of keeping in touch. Give me your soap and your loo rolls and everything else on the shelf, for I am the rat of the highway and I'm taking them all for myself. Sometimes if you go shopping, there might be some things that are finished, so you must make sure you leave enough for everybody. "Stay in your house," said the wise old man. "We'll do your shopping." An excellent plan. Some people aren't able to go out to do their shopping, so others might have to help them. Stickman and lady stay home in their tree, but they're still keeping fit with their stick children 3. This is something you can do with Mr. Shovelton and Mrs. Alexandridis by following them on YouTube. Keep yourselves fit and healthy even though you're staying at home. Prunella and Pat are safe in their flat, being looked after by Tabby McTat. They're keeping each other company and they've got their cat as well. So there's lots of things that we can do to keep ourselves safe. Staying at home is the most important one of those. I hope you carry on and enjoy your e-learning. Make sure you're listening to your mum and dad, and hopefully we'll be united again soon. Bye bye.